For years, the web has been ruled by a chaotic tyrant, JavaScript. It's flexible, sure, but it's messy. Undefined is not a function. Random crashes, the dreaded node module's black hole. But a new team of heroes has risen. They don't use garbage collection, they hit CPU cycles for breakfast. Can you actually build a full-stack app with Rust? Yes, but you need to assemble the right team. Let's meet the roster. First up, the backend titan. If you care about raw, unadulterated speed, you call Actix Web. Think of this as the Flash. For years, it has dominated the benchmarks. It is statically one of the fastest web frameworks on the planet, in any language. It uses the actor model. It's mature, it's battle-tested. Its superpower, handling millions of concurrent requests while your server is basically sleeping. But maybe you don't need Mach 10 speed. Maybe you need ergonomics and stability. Enter Axum. Axum is the Captain America of the stack. It's built by the team behind Tokyo. It's standard. It's reliable. It doesn't use macros to hide magic. It uses the type system to guarantee safety. Right now, this is the default choice for most new Rust developers. It just works. Now we move to the browser, the frontend. We are evicting JavaScript and replacing it with WebAssembly. Meet Leptos. This is the agile, modern warrior, like Spider-Man. It uses a fine-grained reactivity called signals. If you come from React, you recognize the vibe, but without the virtual DOM overhead. It surgically updates only the text that changes. It's blazingly fast and compiles the teeny binaries. Every hero needs a weapon. Connecting to the database is usually where apps break. Not here. We use SQLx. Watch this. I write a raw SQL query, I make a typo in the table name, boom, the compiler checks the actual database schema and stops me. It's like having precognition. You literally cannot ship broken SQL queries to production. But you know, every superhero team has a weakness. Superman has kryptonite. Rust has compile times. When you assemble this full stack, backend, frontend, WASM, your build times will test your patience. You aren't just refreshing a browser like in JavaScript. You are recompiling a binary universe. It is getting faster, but it is not instant. Yet. So, is the Rust web stack ready for prime time? If you are building a quick prototype in a weekend, stick it to Nest.js. But if you want to build a fortress, if you want an app that uses 5 MB of RAM and never crashes, assemble the team. I've linked a starter template in the description. Go build something invincible. Subscribe for more code battles.